The labs at Invest Nova Scotia targets early-stage companies in the life sciences industry, which means most of the resident clients focus on medical devices, digital health, or therapeutics. In addition to offices and shared spaces, the labs offers specialized scientific infrastructure, otherwise unavailable in the commercial real estate market. Clients benefit from wet and dry lab space, reverse osmosis water, a chemical neutralization system, low flow and canopy fume hoods and other sophisticated ventilation, chemical disposal, compressed air, emergency showers, and more. Today there are 12 wet labs and 6 dry labs, but that changes as we regularly reconfigure space to meet company needs. Location is a major advantage at the labs. Working from 1344 Summer Street in Halifax, the Life Sciences Research Institute and Halifax's busy knowledge hub, universities, hospitals, the Brain Repair Center, and the National Research Council are conveniently located nearby. With flexible leasing arrangements, lab and office space constructed to your needs, 24-hour building access, and more, the Labs is the perfect place to grow your life sciences startup.